In this slide, we will talk about the basic parallel connection based wiring. Like in our home, if we want to connect different equipments in parallel, the main rule we are going to follow is the connection between phase and neutral wire. Now, what are the phase and neutral wires? The basic two wires any equipment have is the positive and negative wire, which is called as the phase wire and the neutral wire. So in the parallel connection, we will connect the phase wire of one equipment with the phase wire of the second equipment, a neutral wire of one equipment with the second neutral wire of the second equipment. Like in this example of the bulbs, if we want to connect three bulbs in parallel, like here, we can see that each bulb has two wires, phase wire and the neutral wire. So we will connect the phase wire of one bulb, like here, with the phase wire of the second bulb, and the phase wire of the second bulb will be connected with the phase wire of third bulb. Same case for the neutral wire. We will connect the neutral wire negative terminal of first bulb with the negative terminal or the neutral wire of the second bulb, and the neutral wire of second bulb will be connected with the neutral wire of the third bulb. After connecting this, we will connect these bulbs with the switch basically, and the battery. This is how we can connect any equipment, different type of equipment like bulb, TV, fridge, any type of equipments will be connected in the parallel connection.